Next topic is going on. Terms related to the internet. There are many terms related to the internet, such as intranet, web page, websites, web portal, link, hyperlink, hypertext, bandwidth, URL, ISP, IP address, and DNS. So let's see. First one is intranet. What is intranet? An intranet is a private network of computers belonging to an organization or company. It can only be accessed by the employees and other authorized users of that particular organization. That is the intranet. Next one is web page, websites, and web portal. A single page on the internet, that is called the web page. A web page can have text along with picture, audio, or videos. Website is a collection of related web pages. It is like a book that has many papers in it. A web portal is a specially designed websites that provides single point of access to multiple services, such as searching, online shopping, email, and so on. Some of the web portals are iGoogle, AOL, and so on. Right now, let's see. Link, hyperlink, and hypertext. Firstly, link, then hyperlink, and hypertext. A link is a connection from one word, picture, or other objects to another. A link is selected by clicking on it. Next one is hyperlink. A hyperlink is a highlighted text or graphic image on a web page that you can click to jump to another location. When you move the mouse cursor over a hyperlink, the arrow will be get changes into a small hand pointing at the link. Clicking on a hyperlink can take you to another part of the same page, or it can take you to another page. The text on which a hyperlink is created is known as hypertext. Next one is URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. A URL refers to the address of a specific website on the internet. Next one is bandwidth. What is bandwidth? It refers the maximum amount of data can be sent in a fixed amount of time. It is mostly measured in units of bits such as megabyte per second, gigabyte per second. Next one is ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. And ISP refers to an organization that provides internet access to its users. BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Airtel, Reliance, and Vodafone are example of ISPs. Next topic is IP address. IP address and DNS. Firstly, what is IP address? There are thousands of websites on the internet. There are thousands of websites on the internet. Like the phone number of a person, a website has a unique number called its IP address. There are thousands of websites on the internet. Like the phone number of a person, A website has a unique number called its IP address. Right? IP, it stands for Internet Protocol. Just as you have a phone book of the names and numbers of his friends, then there is a database of the name and IP address of all websites. This database is called the domain name system. Right? That is called the domain name system. That is clear?